Hey guys, it's me again with another Canva tutorial, and for today's video, I will teach you how to create Ghibli style art image in Canva. So how do we create a Ghibli style art or image in Canva? So for example, first we press on create and choose the file format that we want. So let's say that we just have a normal blank page or whatsoever. Say that we have this blank page. Upon having the blank page, we would want to go to elements and find an image or any image that we want to convert to a Canva, or I mean to a Ghibli style. So for example, we have this, which is the picture of Japan, which is perfect for anime. So how do we convert this image to anime or a Ghibli style? So we would want to press on applications on the left side, search for Animify, then press Animify, press open, and here just wait for a few minutes and a few seconds, press this image and search for the Animify thing that you want, whether it's retro, pop, lively, or vibrant. So we can try vibrant and animify the image. So Canva will take a while to animify your image. So let's just wait for a few seconds or to less than a minute or 30 seconds for it to generate. Please bear with me as it take a while. So now we can see the image is animated. So just press add to design. Anime is actually uploaded to your media library. So just add page, then go to uploads or your media library. Here we go. This is your final image. From this to this, we can see how nice the image is. So once again, thank you for watching. That's how you create a Ghibli style animation or a Ghibli style art image with the use of Canva. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon.